Assalamualaikum, hello and very good evening to all of you. This is Maria bint Mohsin, a student of Mohsin Smart English Learning. I'm also a student of class 7 in Bonaful Adibashi Greenheart College. Today I'm gonna talk about coronavirus and our present situation. So we all know that nowadays coronavirus is a very epidemic virus. Many of the people in our country are being infected and also being dead. So it's a very scary virus, but we shouldn't be afraid of this virus. We should be careful of COVID-19. Like, we should stay at home. If we need anything, then we should order it from any online shopping, etc. And my present situation, that means our present situation is just like that. Nowadays, our school online class is going on in Facebook, and I really miss my online school friends, but I can talk with them by using Messenger or WhatsApp. And not gonna lie, now I'm not studying a lot in this lockdown because most of the times I use mobile. I like to watch many types of videos or scrolling in Facebook or playing games in this lockdown. So I hope that one day we'll win this virus, and I pray to Allah that one day we'll be able to live the simple life like our past again. That's all. Thank you.